Hey, Dylan here at Hannover Messe 2025. Like every event Tulip's done in the last year or two, we've built a UNS specifically for this event, mapping our real-time data across all of our booths. I'll give you a quick tour here of our visualizer. We've got data flowing in from Tulip apps, from devices, from machines, across our booths, within this one, at the Microsoft booth, at the AWS booth. Data is flowing in from individual stations here, being subscribed to by local Tulip apps. It's rolling down into HighByte. We're using HighByte to aggregate, normalize, and enforce our UNS schema. That data is flowing into the cloud, HiveMQ, MQTT broker, where other systems, other services can subscribe to that real-time information. And then it's flowing up to Snowflake, our cloud historian, where we can see real-time data loading in from all of our stations. Now, UNS for us in this example is a combination of many technologies, many partners that we work with, but the ultimate goal is that we create an easy to build, easy to read and understand schema for all of our data so that you can build new applications very quickly. You can access information across devices, machines, and systems in a human-readable way, in a real-time way. And we're very proud of this demo, and we're glad to run everything here live to show you how UNS is really built. Thanks.